Hi everyone, this is Palani. Today we are going to discuss about latitudes and longitudes. We know as the earth is spherical in shape, so it is difficult to identify specific location of a place, but one can locate any place with reference to any fixed point on earth. So the North Pole and South Pole are fixed points on the earth. So the latitudes and longitudes are drawn based on them. First, the latitudes and longitudes are drawn by Greeks. Preparing these lines accurately was not an easy task, and it took about 2000 years. 2000 years. Now let us see latitudes. Latitudes comes to us from the Latin word latitudo, meaning width. These lines show us the width of the map or globe. So the horizontal circles drawn parallel to equator at 1 degree interval are known as latitudes. Equator means a circle drawn over the earth surface exactly at equal distance from North Pole and South Pole is called the equator. Now look at the globe. The black line indicate the equator. So equator divide the earth into two equal halves. That half of the earth between the equator and North Pole is called northern hemisphere. Hemi means half. So the half that is between the equator and the South Pole is called the southern hemisphere. There are 90 latitudes in each of the northern and southern hemisphere. So the total latitudes are 180 excluding equator. So the latitudes that lie in the northern hemisphere are called northern latitudes, and those that lie in the southern hemisphere are called south latitudes. The latitude value range from 0 to 90 degree north and south. So there is no latitude less than 0 degree nor greater than 90 degree. So the equator is the longest of all the longitudes. Other latitudes gradually decreases in the size when one goes to north or south from the equator, and they are only points at the poles. So all the latitudes are not same in size. So look at the globe. When we go from North Pole and South Pole, the latitude size gradually decreases. So all the latitudes are not same in size. Some important latitudes are given special names. 0 degree latitude is known as equator. 23rd and of north latitude is known as Tropic of Cancer. 23rd and of south latitude is known as Tropic of Capricorn. 66 and of north latitude is known as Arctic Circle. 66 and of south latitude is known as Antarctic Circles. So 90 degree 90 degree points on the north is called North Pole. 90 degree point on south is called South Pole. But all the latitudes are imaginary lines only. So now let us see longitudes. Longitudes comes as to from the Latin word longitudo, meaning length. So the circles drawn across the globe, passing through poles intersecting the equator, are called circles of longitudes. In fact, the semicircles that lie between two poles are considered longitudes. Like equator, some longitudes is to be taken as a starting point. The longitude that passes through Greenwich in London is taken as 0 degree longitude. This is called Greenwich longitude. It is also known as prime meridian. All longitudes are also known as meridians because all places situated on any longitude experience midday at a single point of time. Hence, longitudes are also known as meridians. There are 180 degree longitudes, each eastward and westward. The area between Greenwich longitude and 180 degree east longitude is known as Eastern Hemisphere, and that which lie between Greenwich and 180 degree west longitude is known as Western Hemisphere. So the longitudes in the Eastern Hemisphere are called Eastern longitudes, and those in Western Hemisphere as West longitudes. So the total longitudes are 360. There are two important longitudes among longitudes. One is 0 degree longitude or Greenwich longitude or prime meridian or international dateline. Another one is 180 degree east longitude is known as anti-meridian because the longitude 180 degree directly opposite to 0 degree longitude, so it is called anti-meridian. So longitudes like latitudes are also imaginary lines. All latitudes are parallel to each other, but all longitudes converge at poles. So all latitudes are not same in size, but all longitudes are same in size. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me.